Hey everybody, this is just a quick video explanation for those of you who may still be struggling with how to subtract integers. So this was the first attempt on our quiz of subtracting integers, and I'm just going to walk through this and show you what you should have gotten. So for number 1 and number 2, we are going to be using the number line in order to show our work. That is the target, so we need to make sure we're doing that. Before we can use the number line, we have to do something that we learned, which is called the keep, change, opposite. So we keep the first number the same, change, subtract to add, and the opposite of 6 is a negative 6. So now I can use this for my number line. So we always start at 0. And I'm going to move to the left 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I then am going to, from that spot, move 6 more to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should have ended up at negative 15. For number 2, same thing. Keep, change, opposite. I keep the negative 8. Change, subtract to add, and the opposite of negative 5 is positive 5. Okay, so now I can use my number line. I always start at 0. Negative 8 is to the left 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From that point, I'm going to move 5 to the right for positive 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I end up at negative 3. Okay, so that's the target. Now, number 3 says plot the following numbers on the number line. So negative 4, we should have plotted here. 7 was here, and negative 2.5 would have been right there, right in between the negative 2 and negative 3. So those should have been your answers for the first attempt. Hopefully this helps you with subtracting integers.